This video covers key topic number 1 in our workshop, protecting your assets in case you have to go into a nursing home. If you haven't taken a minute to watch the introduction video, please do so. It'll provide an overall structure for this workshop. When you're ready, let's begin with key topic number 1, keeping control or access to your assets.
Key number 1 to saving your assets and creating an estate plan is keeping control or access to your stuff, your estate. A lot of people have a lot of misconceptions about estate planning. They think it's only for rich people. They think it's really complicated, but it isn't. All estate planning comes down to 3 things: access, control, and timing. Who is in control of my estate or my stuff? Who gets to benefit from my stuff? And when? There's basically a continuum for trying to keep control or access to your stuff. The first is when you're alive and well. That's when you're in control and you decide who benefits. And that's the point that most people are at most of the time. The only problem is what happens when you're not at that point. What if there's an accident or an illness or somebody has to go into a nursing home? Then who's in control, not just of your stuff, but of you? Everybody probably still recognizes the name Terry Schiavo and all the controversy that surrounded what was going to actually happen with her. Then who benefits, and sometimes who shouldn't benefit. And then finally, whose rule book is going to be used? The state, yours, or something else. And then finally, at the point of death, then who's in control and who benefits.